Hey, welcome to City Grill. My name's Rob Vore. Hey, today is one of those days. It's cool outside, rainy, gloomy, so I decided I need some soup to eat today. I love hot sour soup at the restaurants. I'm not fond of eggs in hot sour soup, so I like to make it at home every now and then without the egg. So here's what I have to get started with. As you can see, I have some tofu from firm tofu that I've chopped up. I like carrots in mine. I've julienne the carrots. I have some leftover pork from a pork butt that I cooked, some cornstarch to thicken things up. I have some dried chili peppers that I've chopped and some onions, mushroom, and underneath the mushrooms there's some actually bamboo. So I've julienne the bamboo shoots, and then finally a great sauce seasoning to go into the chicken stock. So there's some marin in here, soy sauce. A little secret ingredient I like to do is a little brown sugar. So I'll have the recipe in there. So I'm gonna pour that in my chicken stock right there, bring this up to a boil, then get ready to add all the other ingredients. All right, my chicken stock has come up to a boil, so now I can add my ingredients. And I'm gonna bring all this together at once here, so let's start putting it into the chicken stock. I will add, it took me a good 30 minutes to dice everything up to get it ready, so be aware, it does take some time to prep everything up. So I'll go ahead and put in the carrots, clean that up here in a minute, and my mushrooms and bamboo shoots, get those in there. Again, my pulled pork, I'm gonna put that in as well. And of course my tofu, get all that put in. That'll be great getting in there. And then finally, I'll get in the rest of my onions and peppers, little spicy pepperness there. Give that a stir. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lower the heat down to a simmer for about 10 minutes and let this all cook up really nice. All right, the hot sour soup's been on a low simmer for about 10 minutes now. Next step I wanna do is to thicken this up just a little bit. It's pretty hearty already with all the veggies I have inside there, but I'm going to use my cornstarch water. I'm going to pour that into the mixture here of the hot sour soup, give that a nice stir, and bring this up to a boil for about a minute, right? So mix that in there. That'll help thicken it up. And then, of course, if you want to add an egg right after it thickens up or at the same time once it gets to a boil, that's perfectly fine. Nothing wrong with doing that. Again, I'm not a big egg fan, so I'm going to skip that. All right, I'll get this up to a boil and give it a try here in just a minute. All right, it's been a good minute. Get that cornstarch in there. It's thickened up. I can feel it as I stir it. It's like, oh yeah, I can feel that thickness. So I'm gonna grab a little bit. Look how hearty this is. Great meal. I wish I had shiitake mushrooms, different mushrooms, but portobellos can work. You know, these white buttons work as well. Whatever you like, that's fine. But anyways, let's give this a try. Look at that. Oh my goodness, the carrot. I love carrots in it. So I'm gonna grab some of this out, put it in a bowl, and that's gonna be, of course, stinking hot right now. But I'm gonna just go ahead and give it a try here. Just get some of that broth going on here. Oh, delicious. It's got a little kick to it. I like that, especially with the spice. Oh, goodness, goodness, goodness. Oh, this is so good. I love the pork in there too. All right, flip the camera around here so we can see this once more. Oh, this is so good. It smells delicious too. If I can just get something on my spoon. Hot but excellent hot sour soup. Highly recommend this recipe. It's pretty simple. It takes a long time to cut things up, but it's good overall. If you like hot sour soup. Again, you can add egg if you choose to, but again, I'm not a fan of eggs, so I didn't put one in. You don't have to. All right, get the recipe at citygrill.com and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We'll see you. Bye.